We're rolling. What is going on, everyone? This is Josh Elbow. In the video today, I'm going to be going over the day trade I made for SIG Signet Jewelers Limited Company. It looks like ended up being a day trade. It was going to be a swing trade, but I'm going to go over the technical analysis I did. I just watched an 8-hour seminar that goes over the book of Trading in the Zone. I'll try and leave a link to this. If more people want the link, I'll leave it in the bio of this video or something. But the entire video is about like more so the psychology of trading versus the strategy. And I've always been a strategy guy. And I made another video about this, about always being like the strategy guy. But the psychology, I genuinely believe the psychology is 100% more important now. And I've also been looking at a lot of, I want to say it's livetraders.com or .net. Some Wall Street veteran that worked there and now he does trading for a living or whatever. The bald guy, good looking dude, nice teeth, but I can't think of his name. I want to say it's Jared, but his account has been much more valuable to me than the previous technical analysis I was doing. So I guess I should put more, find out who the heck I'm talking about. But looking at the market from not emotionally. So if it goes up or goes down, you can't, like, there's no difference in your emotions, because you're purely trading off what the market is telling you to do, and then listening to instead of calling it support and resistance, support's the bottom, resistance the top, I think. I haven't been doing this long enough, but looking at it as sellers pushing the market down and buyers pushing the market up, so then you can look at it from an economic standpoint. So I bought SIG this morning at $20.34. My profit target was $200, which would have been about 250 shares. I ended up making I made $230 profit. I sold out at 21.26. Ironically, this is the day chart. I bought in at 20.34 down here, and I sold. This is like the most ironic trade ever because this is unheard of. Not that it necessarily makes me smart, but I sold out at 21.26 right before it 21. Like, I almost basically bought the bottom, sold at the top before it tanked right here. My profit target is only $200, but I took it at $230 because I didn't have the limit sell in place, I guess. And by the time I looked at it, that's what it was at, which is probably not the best thing. But the way I traded it is based off of this chart. In the video I was watching from, I want to say it's livetraders.net. This, just kidding. He was looking at like the 3-bar play where it's like, but I was mainly just looking at this. What is the market telling me in this? One, the volume is good, not as good as here, but the volume's good. But so buyers pushed up the market. The next period, buyers kept pushing up the market. So they didn't come back at all right here. So that's telling me that the buyers are in control. Then same thing here. It barely came back halfway down this, but from here, the buyers pushed it all the way up to here, didn't come back much, and then pushed it back up again. Like, I'm purely basing it off what are the buyers and the sellers doing. Same thing with here. The back kept pushing it, buyers kept pushing it, buyers kept pushing it. And then here would be, like, this would be a good example, I guess. So right in here, buyers pushed it up, and then as buyers pushed it up in this one, sellers pushed it all the way back down this whole side. So this would be a good bullish candle, it looks like, because it shows that buyers push it up, sellers push it right back down, sellers push it right back down, and the sellers are matching the buyers here. Whereas here, buyers push it all the way up to here, ended here. Buyers push it up, no drawback here. Same thing, no drawback here. And just listening to what the market is saying. So it just so happens that I ended up buying literally at the low and selling out like a penny off of the high. My stop loss would have been being down 100 on this. I'm trading with a $10,000 account, risking 1%, gaining. The biggest thing I guess I learned from it was listening to the market. The way I found this stock too, I guess, going to my percent change gainers, and then I only want to trade stocks that are above $10 because I haven't had success or fun with the penny stocks. I don't know if it's because of the risk I'm taking, but I'm not comfortable with those yet, so I'm staying away from those. But this is the list it was on. It was on my percent gainers list. and just listen to the market. The market was saying on the 180 day that the buyers are pushing up, buyers are pushing up, buyers are pushing up. Listen to the big money volume. So there's my take. Hope that's helpful. If you guys have any business or personal questions that you think I might be able to help you with, by all means, I'd be happy to help. My Instagram is @thejoshelbo. That's the best way to get a hold of me, or leave something in the comments. If you've been getting value out of the YouTube channel, I guess the cost of this video is to like and subscribe so that more people get to see it. It helps the I know, but tell me why. Like, don't just leave a thumbs down, because that just makes you soft, and we don't like soft people. We like strong people who have real opinions. And I appreciate the thumbs down just as much because I get to learn from it. Thanks for watching. I'll see everyone in the next video.